Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're diving into 20 of the most fascinating, weird, and mind-blowing celebrity events that occurred on October 6th throughout history. From legendary births and iconic premieres to shocking retirements and unforgettable moments, this list is packed with surprises that'll leave you amazed. So sit back, relax, and join us on a time-traveling journey that might just make you say, I can't believe that happened on October 6. Number 20. On October 6, 1906, Janet Gaynor, the first woman to win an Academy Award for Best Actress, was born. A silent film star, she'd be 115 today. A true Hollywood pioneer. Number 19. Born on October 6, 1908, Carole Lombard lit up the silver screen with her comedic brilliance before tragically dying at 33. She'd be 113 today. Gone too soon, but never forgotten. Number 18. On this day in 1927, The Jazz Singer, the first talking movie, premiered. Cinema found its voice, and Hollywood would never be the same. Talk about a plot twist. Number 17. Happy birthday to Britt Ekland, born October 6, 1942. The Swedish actress and Bond girl turns 79 today and proves age is just a number when you're forever fabulous. Number 16. On October 6, 1963, Elizabeth Shue was born. The Back to the Future star turns 58 today, still traveling through time and our hearts. Great Scott. Number 15. Jeremy Sisto, born on this day in 1974, turns 47. From Clueless to 6 Feet Under, he's aged like fine wine, better with time, and always leaving us wanting more. Number 14. On October 6, 1970, Amy Jo Johnson, the original Pink Power Ranger, was born. At 51, she's still morphing into awesomeness. Go, go, Amy Jo. Number 13. Born October 6, 1973, Ioan Gruffudd, the Fantastic Four actor, turns 48 today. Still Mr. Fantastic. Absolutely. Elasticity may not last, but talent sure does. Number 12. On this day in 1991, Elizabeth Taylor married her 7th husband, Larry Fortensky, at Michael Jackson's Neverland Ranch. Now that's a wedding only legends could upstage. Number 11. Happy 29th birthday to Tyler James Williams, born October 6, 1992. From Everybody Hates Chris to Everybody Loves Tyler, he's making us laugh one role at a time. Number 10. On October 6, 1992, we lost Denholm Elliott at age 70. Known for Indiana Jones, he proved that sometimes the sidekick steals the show. Adventure on, Denholm. Number 9. On this day in 1993, Michael Jordan shocked the world by retiring to play baseball. Air Jordan tried to become Bat Jordan. Talk about a game changer. Number 8. October 6, 1994, saw the premiere of Pulp Fiction, redefining cool in cinema. Tarantino taught us to love twist contests and really, really long conversations. Number 7. On October 6, 1996, country stars Faith Hill and Tim McGraw tied the knot, creating music's ultimate power couple. Love and harmony never sounded so good. Number 6. Meet the Parents hit theaters on this day in 2000, making us all fear the lie detector test. Remember, folks, never lose Jinx the cat. Number 5. On October 6, 2001, Barry Bonds smashed his 71st home run, breaking the single-season record. He hit that one out of the park, literally. Number 4. October 6, 2006, The Departed premiered, finally earning Martin Scorsese his Best Director Oscar. Good things come to those who wait and make epic gangster films. Number 3. On this day in 2010, Instagram was launched, changing how celebrities, and the rest of us, Share selfies forever. Filters and hashtags. Yes, please. Number 2. Blade Runner 2049 dazzled audiences on October 6, 2017, reviving a sci-fi classic with futuristic visuals. Harrison Ford proved he's timeless, just like replicants. Number 1. On October 6, 1989, we said goodbye to the legendary Bette Davis, who passed away at 81. Her eyes and talent left an indelible mark on Hollywood. Thanks for joining us on this star-studded journey through time. If these October 6 surprises blew your mind, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fascinating facts.